So we should start off by saying where you're from.
So I'm from Pakistan,
Okay.
and I grew up in the capital, Islamabad. And then all of a sudden, it's like, yay, you guys are approved. And, we were in the category of a highly skilled immigrant program. We kind of moved to Canada. And, well, as every day passed, we just loved living here.
Yeah.
The community makes a whole lot of difference. And, like, when you move to a new place and everybody's so friendly, it just
Yes.
the whole perception changes, right? So
Amazing.
it was very welcoming. This is what I learned in Canada now. Because I never cooked back home. Every day of my life, I'm like, this is the best decision I made. I'm going to
Wow.
stand by it, and this is the best place to raise, my kids. And the quality of life here, if you look at it, it's just amazing. And Chilliwack is the most beautiful city, I believe,
It is.
throughout Canada.
It's so beautiful here.
So beautiful with the mountains, the lakes, the river, there's so much to do and all the outdoor activities and stuff. It's just amazing. And I was like, this is the place where I want my kids to grow up.